compactor. Here's the compactor. This is our compactor for the road. And the engine we take use the Changfa. It's the famous brand in China. CF178FE. This one skater, this one. Skater. Here the road maker. Road compactor. Very beautiful. It's cover. You can have a look at our painting. Very beautiful, very clear, very smooth, bright. Over here, I can look at our fabrication and the manufacturing. Very beautiful. And we have different models from the small one to the big size, all over the road maker. Compact. This one is the small one.